So the website, if you're going to it, onetonline.org. Then I just picked Find Occupations, and then STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering. The nice thing about picking that, pick it, then hit go. So, gotta hit go after pick it. This is now listing different occupations that are classified as STEM. And you can get a lot deep in the classifications, but let's go ahead and pick civil engineers. We talked about that already. When you pick one of these applications, one of these occupations rather, it gives you all this information about the occupation specifically. Some of this is in career cruising. Are you all using career cruising a bit? So some of this is in career cruising, but this is for you to help develop the lessons. It's got information about the occupation, the tools used, things like CAD, triangles, drafting, knowledge. But two things I think are really useful here. So the first one is just finding all those occupations related to STEM. You got that list. The second thing, down here at the bottom, they've got 5 jobs. So I picked Michigan for civil engineering was the occupation I picked. And then I picked Michigan as a state, and we'll hit go for that. So this is going to start listing out jobs. And one of them is here in Grand Rapids. This gets back to we want to find some local companies that are doing this type of work in the local area. And here's what I think you all can make a good connection. So URS Griner Corporation, a very large civil engineering corporation, they do a lot of government work. Used to be one of my clients, a great company to work for. But now I know the name of a company in that occupation, in this area, doing that type of work. So what I want to do is just Google URS Corporation. It's even got Grand Rapids, the Grand Rapids location, which is kind of a smaller office for them, but they still do a lot of work there. And this is what I want to show you. Just about every engineering firm, every manufacturer that you Google and find, they're going to have a product, projects tab, because they want to advertise what their projects are, what they do. And this is where you can get a lot of information. So let's select a market here. I'll just pick this one. Do a lot of work with NASA. Actually, that one might not lend itself too well.
I like NASA.
You like NASA, huh? Where is mine? I see that in here. So we've got a list of hundreds of projects this company has done. If you go into one of these projects, it talks a bit about the project. And one of the first things it says up here is that it can be difficult because they're working in environments that are negative 56 degrees Celsius. It's late April. They've got some water control issues also. These are their industry problems. So when they put a project up on their website, what they're saying is this was a project because there was a problem. Or this is a product of manufacturing and it has this strength to it. But this is where you will find those industry problems. So Avery and I are going out interviewing engineers to get those problems. If you can identify the field, go up to it and identify the field, find a company in that field, go to their website, look at their projects, you will find industry problems. And you can use that industry problem to base your lesson on.